Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to make pumpkin paniyaram. For this, I'm going to take a cup of pumpkin in a heavy bottom pan. Add a quarter cup of water and let it simmer in low flame. Let it steam until the pumpkin too is soft to poke with fork. Smash the pumpkin until it's pureed. Add jaggery to your liking. Here I'm using organic jaggery, which we got for a local jaggery producer. Add crushed cardamom or powdered cardamom. You can add coconut shreddings if you like. Transfer the puree to a bowl and add a cup of wheat flour and 3 tablespoons of rice flour. And mix the contains until it's combined properly. Add water to get a batter consistency. Now heat your pan. Add a little oil. When the pan is hot, pour the batter. Wait until the side is cooked to turn over the paniyaram. Let it cook until it's fully golden brown. Transfer it to a plate and serve. It's a best dish for lunch boxes. Cook it and let me know whether you liked it.